Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
The most meaningful things were never built alone. It's always groups of people building and believing until something clicks. Thinking together is innate to us. Painted cave walls, campfire stories, playing chess even though machines do it better. Togetherness gives us meaning. About a year ago, we took a hard look at where AI was headed. The future felt lonely and unsettling. Billion-dollar companies with a solo founder behind a chat window. No need for teamwork. Humans are friction. We think that gets the future wrong. Making each person 10 times faster doesn't make a company 10 times better. That's a story of efficiency and cost. AI should be a story of abundance. More minds on any problem. More opportunities. More people doing their life's work. Notion has always been a tool for people to think together. Now, we're building AI that belongs in that space. Not behind one person's screen, but inside a team's collective memory, working alongside everyone. Every team in the world deserves it, not just the Fortune 500 with dedicated AI teams. The fintech startup in New York with more ambition than people. The Australian healthcare experts giving doctors time back. The 3 founders in Lagos who don't know yet what they're about to become. The best things in humanity haven't been built yet. They will be built by us together.